Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making rice pilaf with dried fruits and some slivered almonds. I'm gonna use some sultanas today, but you can also use other dried fruits if you want. It's super delicious and fragrant. So, let's start. This time we need almonds, butter, rice, turmeric, cinnamon, cumin, onion, garlic, raisins and salt and pepper. Bring some water to a boil and add the rice. This rice is to cook for 10 minutes. If you use another type of rice, it may take longer or shorter. Cut your onion into very small pieces, or as small as you can manage to cut them. Do the same thing with your garlic and set it aside. After the rice is cooked, drain all the water and return the rice to the pan. Put the lid on it and leave it to steam for another 10 minutes. Meanwhile, in another pan, melt the butter and add the diced onion. Make sure to cook it properly before adding the garlic, because we don't want the garlic to burn. Add the cinnamon, turmeric and cumin and stir everything together. Take it from the heat and add everything to the rice. Stir it properly. Add some freshly ground black pepper and salt. Now add your raisins and almonds. And let the raisins take on a little heat from the rice. After it has warmed up, transfer it into a nice bowl and enjoy! And that's it! I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. Let me know how your rice pilaf turned out. And I see you in the next one.